How to set up a range extender with web browser. To begin, plug the extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Once powered, extender's power LED will turn green. Now, connect your PC to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Just turn on your PC's Wi-Fi and choose Netgear_EXT from the Wi-Fi network list. If you don't find the Netgear_EXT in the Wi-Fi network list of the device, then try resetting your extender first and then start the setup again. Please find the video link of extender's reset process in the description for your reference. Now, open browser in your connected PC and search the URL address mywifixt.net. If you can't get to the extender's setup page with the URL address, try typing 192.168.1.250 into your web browser. Once new extender setup page is loaded, click on the button New Extender Setup. Click on Continue, and create Netgear login credentials by entering your email address, setting password and re-entering the password for confirmation. After that, select 2 security questions and answer them. These questions will help you to log into Extender, in case you forget password in the future. Next page will appear, wherein the extender will search for the local Wi-Fi networks. Choose the Wi-Fi network which you want to extend. If your router has dual band feature, select the chosen Wi-Fi frequency band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band. Enter the security key of the selected Wi-Fi network in order to connect the extender with the router's Wi-Fi network. Click on Next, Create Network page will be loaded. Here, you can create credentials for your extender's network username and password of your choice. In case you want to keep the extender username and password same as your Wi-Fi router's network, then you can do that by simply clicking Keep Default SSID. If your extender has dual band feature, you can create 2 separate Wi-Fi networks, 5 GHz for faster speed and less coverage range, and 2.4 GHz for better coverage range and average speed. Click on Save and Finish. The extender will take a few seconds to restart and apply the settings. Then, extender's router LED shows a solid green light, which means the extender connects with router. You're all set. Now, you can place it anywhere you like. Just remember to keep the extender device within 20 to 50 feet from your router depending on your extender model. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Thank you for watching.